Who is the best scout?
A competition for the bravest scouts. Prove that you are the best at scouting and earn achievement badges.
Easy! Everyone knows that Charlie and I are the best scouts.
And why is that? Lindsay and I will beat you for sure.
Don't make me laugh!
Stop arguing! Let's prove it by earning badges!
Hello, friends! Welcome to the scouting competition. I'm Chief Scout. Today, we will go hiking. The team that completes the tasks faster and better will receive achievement badges. Your first task is to pack your things for a hike. Let's pack our backpack for the hike. Move all the items to their places. Sleeping bag. Water. Compass. Rope. Package of vegetables. Excellent. The backpack is ready for the hike.
Chief Scout! Our team has prepared the backpack!
Excellent! You get a ready-to-go badge.
Hooray!
Now it's time to go.
Mr. Beaver, this bridge is broken.
Don't worry. Wow! What an old bridge! You need to fix it to continue your journey. Let's fix the logs. Tap on the hanging logs to secure them. That's better. Look, a goat went on the bridge. Tap on the goat to clear the way. Woohoo! Now the way is clear.
Oh no!
That was our tent!
Don't be upset. We scouts can always find a solution. Now we have to find a good place to set up camp.
What type of place should we look for?
It should be level and large enough to fit comfortably. Look what a nice clearing. We will set up our tents here.
But we don't have a tent!
What do we do?
In the forest, you can find everything you need to build an entire house. Teams, here's a new task for you. Oops, there are stones in the meadow. Let's take them away. Let's assemble the sledgehammer. Move the correct number of items to the slots. Excellent! The sledgehammer did the job very well. Now you can assemble the tent. Move the correct number of items to the slots. Woohoo! We made a wonderful tent.
Hooray!
We did it!
It was fun!
The tent is so big! We can all fit in here!
Yes! But then, who gets the scout badge?
It is the scout's duty to be helpful and to help others. Therefore, we will put a star on the tent. Here is a new task. We need to make dinner. We need to chop vegetables to put them on sticks. Slide your finger along the lines to cut vegetables. Slide your finger along the lines to cut Slide your finger along the lines to cut vegetables. Excellent! The vegetable wedges are ready. Now let's put the vegetable wedges on the stick. Transfer the correct piece of vegetable onto the stick. Woohoo! Great job!
Done! We did it first!
Well done! You get Food Master badges.
Great! Who won our competition?
Friendship and good times won.